Welcome back to another upload. To all my viewers and my subscribers, I appreciate you. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, I'm asking you to subscribe. I would most appreciate it. Today we're going to be talking about Sean Storm, Vybz Kartel and the other accused. And also we're going to be talking about our public prosecutor. And I also have some questions for you, my viewers and my subscribers. This video that you see right here, it was said that it was Vybz Kartel's last performance. You can also leave in the comment section if this was his last performance. Right? Today, I want to ask you this question. What's going to happen to Vybz Kartel on June 10? What's going to happen to Sean Storm and the other accused? Please leave in the comment section, what do you think going to happen? Is Vybz Kartel going to walk free? Is Sean Storm going to walk free? Is the other accused going to walk free? I'm going to show you a little clip, which is this clip. I'm just going to run the audio so you could feel the energy and jog back your memory of how it used to be when Vybz Kartel performing on the stage.
And the whole gas are there enough in it. Then I know. With him. I'm gonna sell bush cover and a Kali. You see us? When I get them back. What kind of cover that you say? I'm not ready. Go and Kaji. I'm gonna sell bush cover and a Kali. You see us? When I get them back, call me.
Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, as I said in the first, you can leave your honest opinion in the comment section. What do you think about what I said? Because I would really appreciate reading whatever you say. Please keep it clean also, because I don't want YouTube to take my channel down. You get what I'm saying? Because I'm not here doing nothing bad. I'm not trying to influence nobody to do nothing bad at all. But I just want to hear the people, the public opinion on this whole situation that's going on. Because if these three men already run off 11 years, the three of them already did 11 years in a prison. To be honest, yes, Vybz Kartel did 11 years already, Sean Storm did 11 years already, and the next accused did 11 years already. So what's going to happen June 10? If you, the public, can predict and let me know what you think, I would most appreciate it. And please like the video and send it across all platforms. Send it to everybody. And if you don't like what I'm saying, I have my own opinion on things. You have your own opinion. Yes, my viewers and my subscriber, with that being said, do you think that our public prosecutor should remain in office? Because with Vybz Kartel court hearing coming up June 10, she will have something to do about that. She will have some type of saying. She is in the seat. She is our public prosecutor. Right? So you can please leave in the comment section if you think that she should remain in office. Because right now, as we're speaking, JLP and PMP are fighting. One is fighting for her to leave the office, and one is fighting for her to stay in the office, right? JLP is fighting for our public prosecutor to stay in office, and the PMP is fighting for her to go. They need a change. They're saying that it's not fair for her to get another 10 years in there. So eventually, if she stays in office, she's going to leave when she's 70 something years old. Please leave your honest opinion in the comment section. I most appreciate everybody for watching my channel. Until the next one, I'm out.